So we are finally done with this privateer. It's got the swim platform slash engine bracket on the back here bolted on. Rear gunnel is glassed and faired. Our deck is finally closed up, glassed in. Got some wrinkles here. I'm gonna have to hit that with a hard roller real quick. And I think we are done. I'm gonna, last thing, I'll cut out the circle here and put in the deck plate. But other than that, this will complete my job, or what I've been hired to do. I believe that he is going to paint and all that kind of stuff. It's been kind of picking my brain as far as how to complete this. So he's going to be picking up the boat, I believe, tomorrow. And the only thing I've got left is this hatch here. The rest is complete and ready to go.